The analytics reports demystify the previously unknown event attendee, tracking who attended, what they did, what their interests were, and their overall engagement, building a deeper understanding of attendees and supplying your frontline staff with the info they need for conversation starters. They can then follow up on leads based on the attendees' interests and detailed profiles. The analytics data and automated reports are what set Venue apart, tracking the behavior of attendees, their engagement, their dwell times, and overall interaction. Venue comes with standardized reports based on the event type you have opted to use. To ensure you meet your event's objectives, you need to start with your data output in mind. What this means is that if you want to know what the individual attendee did and what actions they took, then a login screen is required. Whereas if you want to understand the overall success of an event, the attendance, the engagement, and overall participation, then no login registration will result in an anonymized data you are looking for. Let's now unpack the data output of each of the steps we have covered so far. You'll be able to track the conversion rate from your original attendee list to their registrations and ultimately their attendance. A key factor to ensure high conversion rate amongst these three data sets is the positioning of the event and making it exciting and alluring to the attendee, as well as regular reminders building up to the event. You'll be able to see how many attendees went to each room of the event. You'll see their actions to ascertain overall engagement. You'll see how many people watched the event live, as well as how many attendees watched the recordings post the event. It is worth noting that a significant number of attendees re-watch parts of the conference and share it with their colleagues, increasing the number of views substantially. The action area delivers lists of every question asked, polls, surveys, word cloud outputs based on the interactive components which have been leveraged during the event. This info may be anonymized or saved against the profile of your attendee based on the event setup. Breakout rooms and booth have additional report templates which provide sponsors, vendors, and operators with lead generation opportunities scored via engagement to provide measurable ROI for each individual vendor. The vendor reports are generated per breakout room, booth, or vendor level, ensuring a high level of personalization. Interactive whiteboards generate a PDF handout or downloadable outputs. These are attached as addendums to the overall event report. The reports have powerful filters to integrate the data to derive the insights and case study outputs you'll be looking for. I leave you with a quote by Dan Zarala: "Marketing without data is like driving with your eyes closed."